In this episode, we talk tactics, we enjoy some beautiful views, and I throw Tim around a bit in the cockpit.
Jesus Christ, you... God.
Good morning, and today we're doing something extremely exciting, something that not many GA pilots that I've spoken to have done before or would even consider doing. And that's because it carries a little bit of a dangerous element to it. But we're going to tell you how we have prepared to combat this danger and to do this as safely as possible, because today we are flying the Mach Loop. Number one, weather, right?
Yeah, weather. We don't want it to be too windy.
No, because those valleys, when the wind's up and moving around.
Yeah, if you've got anything more than 10 knots coming over the mountains, you will really feel it.
And then that brings us to the next point, which is the aircraft. We're in an RV-7, we've got maneuverability. Importantly, we can see up, out and behind us, because in the Mach Loop, the fast jets come from behind.
And we will be going with the flow that they fly, which is anti-clockwise.
Yeah, anti-clockwise.
So we'll be higher than they are.
This is the most crazy thing. So we actually spoke to a real F-35 pilot who does this. And his advice was, use the low flying frequency, make blind calls, because they use that as well, so they'll be listening out for us.
Yes.
He said, look out behind you and above, but more importantly, don't break the 500-foot rule, because they'll be flying lower than 250 feet. So they will go underneath us, and that just blows my mind, because we've been through there before at 500 feet, and that feels plenty low enough. It's going to be a good day, I can't wait.
Yeah.
We're good.
Fine information, hello, Golf Romeo Victor Echo Mike, outside hangar 2 with information Echo, 2NH1025, request taxi for departure.
Alright, slippy, turny, brakey.
Slippy, turny, brakey.
Yeah, that's how they do it.
I'm gonna fucking do that, wouldn't it?
Make sure all the things are working.
Golf Romeo Victor Echo Mike, Alpha 3 ready for departure.
Golf Echo Mike, runway 26 left, surface wind 270 degrees, 3 knots, take off at your discretion.
Taking off runway 26 left, Golf Echo Mike.
I'm moving.
Golf Echo Mike, request change now to Manchester radar 118.1580.
113. Oh look, Tim, there's Beeston Castle.
Oh, hello, Beeston Castle. That's an amazing structure. We are very fortunate.
Golf Romeo Victor Echo Mike, short zone, good morning, passenger details. Golf Romeo Victor Echo Mike is a Vance RV-7 from Barton to Shobden. We're currently 2 miles southwest Beeston Castle, altitude 2,000 feet, QNH1024. We're tracking to the Mach Loop, where we'll be doing some flying. Golf Echo Mike, Roger, score 7426, basic service, short QNH1024.
So the thing about being at 2,000 feet is when we get to Bala and we do our turn, we will we'll probably lose Shoreby quite quickly.
Yeah.
So what you want, my friend,
is
low-level flying frequency.
Yeah, what is the low-level flying frequency, Tim?
I'm glad you asked that. It's 130.490.
130.490.
130.490.
That's the low level. And what is the purpose of the low-level flying frequency, Tim?
It's to tell F-35s not to crash into you.
That's right.
And to be honest with you, in the low level, in the Mach Loop, it's not just F-35, F-15s, A400s, Tucanos, it's everything, isn't it?
Of all of the aircraft, which would be your least favourite to get chopped up by?
I think anywhere near an A400.
Yeah, I think those four big props would chew you up pretty nice, wouldn't they?
Yeah. Anything near any one of those would be bad.
As we descended into Bala, I gave Shoreby a call, just to make sure there weren't any fast jets coming in behind us.
Golf Echo Mike, currently have 1 track to your south, 5 miles, tracking similar direction and indicating 400 feet above, no other traffic to affect.
Visual with that traffic, thank you very much, Golf Echo Mike. We'll be heading into the Mach Loop, we may lose you.
Golf Echo Mike.
Alright, let's prep for this then. All the things we will need. Let's change fuel tank.
Yeah, perfect. Let's do that.
Let's put the mixture in. just in case we need some power. We're going to be watching our speed as we go through here. We don't want to be going too fast.
Well,
Are we going in like a rally driving team? Are you going to call out the turns?
I will if you're left before the lake.
Question is, Tim, are there going to be PAPs out today?
I believe there is. I was talking to one of our colleagues before we left, and he said one of his friends who is one of those PAPs is down. So we should get something nice.
I hope that the PAP photos have contrails coming off of the tips of our wings as we accelerate through those corners.
Me too. Yeah. See the wake vortices.
That's it.
Golf Echo Mike entering the Mach Loop at Golgotha.
And you ready?
Yeah, do it. Nice. Oh, you bugger. Okay. Look at this.
Oh man, this is epic. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, fantastic. So, left turn down to the run down to Corris.
Are you ready for it?
Not really.
Alright.
I think this is the one where you're gonna probably cut the corner a little bit. I think it's inevitable.
Got my visual point.
Nice.
And the turn the other way. Oh, I made that turn a little bit too early.
Right, we're gonna adjust. Yeah, good move, good move.
Out. Beautiful. Oh, it's good.
Nice.
Oh, I love it. No, we're going this way around. Alright, ready, Tim? A little bit of G-force. Won't hurt.
Oh yeah. Oh no, we're alright with it. We're alright doing it in this, aren't we?
Well, you can imagine doing this lower in one of those jets.
No, I can't. I'd give a lot of a go at that.
And round.
Yeah, round we go. That's really nice.
Golf Echo Mike in the eastern part of the Mach Loop, turning back into the northern part of the Mach Loop.
A little rudder. A little bit of throttle.
Definitely a bit of throttle if you're gonna hang it out like that, my friend. Definitely a bit of throttle. Nice. And there we go. Bombs away. This is the final valley, really. And again, follow the road out.
Look, there's mountains on either side of us.
There is.
We're pioneers. We're fighter pilots.
Are we? Is that what we are?
We're not. We're having fun though.
And there's some paps on the left.
Oh yeah, look. Paps!
That was brilliant. That was absolutely amazing.
Absolutely so much fun.
That was awesome.
Birmingham, thanks for the service on.
How does it feel being a passenger? A little bit unnerving.
No, it was fine. It is unnerving, but to be honest with you, in a way it's better. You get more chance to appreciate it.
Yeah.
So like when you're pulling those steep turns, you're like, you can look out the way, you can really, whereas when you're there, you're looking at all the, you're looking at the speed and, I don't know, it was a really cool experience there. Very cool. Nicely done, mate.
Having had all the fun in the Mach Loop, we headed up into the sky and on our way to Shobden, where we were going to have our victory breakfast wrap.
So Tim,
Yeah,
tell everybody about your strap-on.
I've genuinely forgotten what it is.
Tim, tell everybody about your strap-on pen.
Golf X-ray Alpha radio check.
Thank you for reminding me about that. I was very concerned.
Copy Golf X-ray Alpha.
Best invention in flying is a tether for your pen, so you don't lose your pen. How many pens have I lost in aeroplanes?
Well, we found about 20 of them when we did the annual.
Yeah. I mean, so now I have 2 pens and they are tethered, which means I never lose.
But we're going to have to reweigh the aircraft now.
We probably will, yeah.
Everything will be all wrong.
Definitely a few kilos lighter now. We got rid of all my pens.
We've landed at Shobden. Cheers.
Yeah.
Quick flight debrief on the Mach Loop. It's awesome.
And it was very smooth today, wasn't it?
Any recommendations to anyone else that's going to go and do this?
Ooh.
I think my recommendation would be don't. Leave it for us to do. Thanks.
Yeah.
Keep that airspace clear.
I think you've got to have the right plane for it. I think you've got to have the right day for it. And we have both. There's a chipmunk over there. That would be good fun, innit?
A chipmunk would be good fun in
So
a
if you've got
chipmunk
a
as
chippy,
well.
go for it. Chippy's absolutely, go for it with a chippy. That's our advice, I think.
If you've got a chipmunk, go for it. Yeah. If you've, by some manner of luck, managed to get yourself a share in a fast jet as well, then crack on. Don't do it in a Cessna 152. All right. Next most important thing of the day is the standard Shobden breakfast wrap.
Breakfast wrap.
Thank you very much.